Relying on smartphone apps for health-related issues is almost a matter of course these days, from step trackers to weight loss programs, even those that help you remember to take your medication. But how do you know if your privacy is protected? Consumer Reports explains what to look for to better safeguard your personal information. News 8's Martha Kolaski has more in today's On Your Side.
Maureen Sushita uses numerous health apps, including My Medical, to keep track of her family's medical profiles.
I put everything from blood work to immunization records to medications to eyeglasses to checkups. I've become really dependent on it.
And as a tech blogger, Maureen knows that even the most secure apps can be compromised. So she is careful to make sure she is only storing her family medical data on her phone, not on a remote server.
For certain medical apps, I make sure that it's not being backed up somewhere else.
But she's afraid her personal information could be made public. Consumer Reports says she's right to be concerned.
By law, doctors and hospitals have to protect your information and keep it private, but the same rules don't necessarily apply to health apps.
And Consumer Reports says it's a good idea to ask the following. Is the app asking for permission to access your contacts or photos? Do the terms of service allow it to share your data with third parties?
If the answer to those questions is yes, we recommend taking a good hard look before deciding whether to hand over your data or not. We're concerned that if your personal data gets out there, it can ultimately lead to workplace discrimination
and could affect whether you could get insurance or how much you'll pay. Another red flag, free apps.
They're probably selling your personal data. After all, they have to make money one way or the other.
As for Maureen,
I have not only my information, my son's information too.
She says she'll be more vigilant about using health apps. For News 8, I'm Martha Kolaski, On Your Side.
Consumer Reports also says to check the terms of service of the app and whether the app is asking for permission to access your contacts or photos or allows it to share your data with third parties.